15번 문제입니다. 대화를 듣고 남자의 마지막 말에 대한 여자의 응답으로 가장 적절한 것을 고르세요.
Hello, Amy. Good evening. How are you?
Good evening. Couldn't be better. And you?
Pretty good. I haven't seen you for a long time. Where have you been?
I've been at my father's factory to help him. Besides, I've been attending a French conversation class 3 days a week. What did you do during the holidays?
Nothing. I've been hanging around doing nothing. You were telling me about your French conversation class. How do you like it?
I find the course very interesting and useful.
How long have you attended the class?
For 3 months now.
What is the duration of the course?
6 months.
So you will continue the lesson for 3 months more?